Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I am super excited because I have a lot of great news. I've been dying to tell y'all. First off, I have to tell you guys, anybody that's going to be at SneakerCon Washington DC, I have amazing news. I'm talking about amazing, boy. First off, I have some limited merch that won't be anywhere other than SneakerCon DC. Yes, you heard me right. The merch won't be anywhere other than SneakerCon DC. Now, I am bringing a few pieces of merch, man. Shout out to my boy Nick from Way Before the Fame. It will be at the Way Before the Fame table, but let me show you some of the pieces that I will be having at the table. So if y'all remember last year, man, I did have a Sniper Jones merch and it did great. We sold out 2 different times and I'm kind of trying to bring that back. Now, I wanted to start off with something low with the hats. The hats did great, and the first hat we're going to do is one that did not drop. That was the denim Sniper Jones hat. As y'all can see, it's denim with that Sniper logo with the Jones right there. You see that scope right there for the O? Woo! Hey, look, you know what I'm saying? This will be only limited to Washington, DC. I wish I could have did something like this for Cleveland, but at the time, I just didn't think it was right. Also, guys, we will have that black colorway right there as well. So it's the same distressed denim looking hat with the black colorway as well. So we have the denim colorway and we will have the black colorway, but it will only be available at Washington, DC. So thank you for all my DC guys that will be there, man. Hey, look, cop your merch. It's for a great deal and I appreciate the love. That's on dog. Next up, I know y'all want me to get to the video, but I have to say it. Look, I have to say it. Huge shout out to Rejuvenator. They have done something that I don't think they ever done before. I know usually y'all are used to me getting in front of this camera saying 10% off, but scratch that. They just gave me a huge opportunity to offer you guys a bundle package that I ain't gonna hold you, nobody else has. Now listen, guys, this bundle has to include these 3 items and you can receive 25% off all of these items. Now listen, guys, the way it works, if you bundle all 3 of these items I'm about to mention, you will get 25% off of all of it, like all of it. Now first off is the Rejuvenator water stain and repellent spray. That is what you would spray on your shoes. You spray it down, let it sit about 6 hours, and if you ever seen anything on Instagram where people pour mustard, coffee, ketchup on their shoes and it just roll off with no stain, no defects, that is it. Like, that's what it's called, the water stain repellent spray. Second, we have the shoe wipes. The shoe wipes are very easy to carry, very convenient. You just pull one out, you get the scrubbing, and whatever stain or whatever scratch you have on your sneakers is totally wiped off. Last but not least is the 2 sneaker laundry system kit. So for all my people whose shoes are beat up, beat down, they offer a laundry system kit with the detergent, the water bags for put inside the washer and laundry, and then all you have to do is just insert them in a washer and dryer with the laundry system kit, and you're all good to go. Now, if you guys do that bundle, I will link all of those items down below. Once you get to that end checkout, all you have to do is enter discount Sniper25 and you will get 25% off. Rejuvenator Day was like 60% off, and that's like the biggest one. Other than that, I've never seen them offer 25% off. So if y'all really want to support your boy Snipe, y'all really rocking with me, man, then please show up in Washington DC to get some of the merch, and also head over to Rejuvenator. It is linked directly down below, and get the bundle and use the discount code Sniper25 to get 25% off plus free shipping. I didn't even mention that, plus free shipping. Woo. Okay, now look, we done with that. Let's get to the video. Y'all all know, man, the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toes is dropping this weekend and the world is on fire. Now, several videos out there, several early reviews. A lot of people are saying that this shoe will be very, very limited. I just wanted to touch bases on you guys about this sneaker because I ain't gonna hold you, I'm upset. I'm mad, bro, that's on dog. It seems like every great Jordan 1 as of late has just been coming out in either low top fashion or for women. No disrespect to my women, you know, your boy Snipe, I love women. I'm just saying, I wish I could fit some of these sneakers. I'm just jealous. That's what it is. It's pure jealousy. I wear a size 12, okay? So for my people who don't know, the women's, okay, this sneaker is a women's shoe and it goes up into a women's size 12. And if I'm not mistaken, that's like a what, 10, maybe like a 9.5. I'm not sure, it ain't my size. And women's, I will have to wear like a 14, man, so I'm super depressed that I will not be able to get a pair of these, man, but I would really like a pair. To all my little foot guys out there, man, congratulations on even, I mean, at least you get a chance, you know what I'm saying? I don't even get a chance. But you already know your boy Snipe. Don't sleep on me. I'ma still have a pair to review right here on this channel, you know what I'm saying? You know that. I'm hearing that it will be very, very limited. Now, I was gonna do the how to cop, but it's Thursday, you know what I'm saying? So it's no really point on how to cop. I guess, you know, I just tell you like briefly, make sure you're using the apps, whether it's Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Champ Sports. I'm not sure if Champ Sports are getting them. I know Foot Locker and Foot Action are. I did not see a lot of stores that popped up for my Foot Action. I did get a few stars for my Foot Locker, but they were spaced out. So usually whenever stores are spaced out, it just lets you know that it's not, you know, an easy shoe to get. Of course, I think that people will be going for the bigger sizes. I think if you go for the smaller sizes, you probably have a better chance. It's crazy because it's like the opposite of what you would think. Usually the small sizes are the money size, but whenever it's a female size, I think sneaker collecting or sneaker heads is like a male dominant thing. So we all wear bigger size than women, so that's why I think the bigger sizes are more, you know, sought after, because I mean, we wear a bigger shoe. I don't have any satin Jordan 1s, man. I know the satin Royals came out. I know the satin Breads had dropped before, and they even dropped here in Atlanta at a store called Walters, I believe, and I don't know, bro. I saw that line and I was just like, nah, bro, I'm not doing that. It would be nice, though. I'm not gonna hold you. It definitely would have been nice to have a pair of satins in the collection because I like how they look. Even they even had the satin shattered backboards was for women, man. Just about all of the satin sneakers are going towards the women. But the weird part is, like, we all know that women aren't really gonna get this sneaker. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like, women are gonna have a hard time grabbing these. If you're a woman and you actually plan on going somewhere camping out, your boyfriend better be mighty swole. Shout out to my boy Drewski Too Funny. He better be mighty swole. Cause there's some dudes, man, that they rough out there, man. Some dudes, man, they just don't care. They just trying to get their shoe. They don't care who in their way. They mama could be in their way. That's your dog. They just going straight in. I encourage all of my ladies who watch me, if there's ladies who watch me, you know what I'm saying? Now let me show you, no, honestly though, all my ladies out there who are going for the satins, man, be careful. Bring your uncle, bring your little brother, you know what I'm saying? You know, he probably a little swole. Just be safe, man, because these dudes out here wilding, and you definitely don't want to get caught in the middle or nothing. Now, there are some boutiques that's supposed to be getting this sneaker, but most of them have done like raffles. I really doubt that anybody is doing first come first serve on a shoe like this because it'll be absolutely mayhem. We all know that Jordan 1, it has to be like the most profitable Jordan in the whole silhouette of, like, what are they on, like 34 now, 33 or something like that, just because of the simple fact that it retails for $160 and you can easily double that without, you know, without even thinking you can make your money back. I want to know what you guys are thinking about the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toes, man. Are you guys interested in copping these? Are y'all gonna pass? A lot of y'all like me, like you to the point where, look, it's not even in your size, so man, even if you did want to rock it, you really can't. Now me, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. I am gonna try to just hit them on Sneakers app, see if I can hit them on Sneakers. If I do, I will have that review for you guys. Even if I don't hit, I believe I will still have that review for you guys, so stay tuned to the channel if you would like to see a review of those sneakers. But guys, before you leave, I have to reiterate, man, SneakerCon DC, I will be in the building. Please let me know in the comments right now if you'll be in SneakerCon DC, and if you really support your boy, if you really support the channel, man, if you really came with me from day one. I will be having a Sniper Jones hats, man. Once again, you see the embroidery is A1. Shout out to my guy Nick from Way Before the Fame. We got the distressed denims colorway, and we also have the black colorway as well. So both of these will be at SneakerCon DC. And also, guys, do not forget about the Rejuvenator bundle deal that is going down right now. I cannot explain how much I need to push this. It will only be active until August 31st, so it's not like a all day or just take your time thing. You need to jump on it, man. It is a bundle pack. I will link it down below. Head over to Rejuvenator. You need the 2-shoe sneaker laundry system kit. You need the sneaker wipes, and of course you need the water stain repellent. And all you have to do is enter promo code Sniper25 and you get 25% off. That is the video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in to another video. I'm your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. Who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.